In this video, we will generate the trend line and the trend line equations of the shifted Legendre polynomials using combine and combine functions. Here we have the shifted Legendre polynomial y equals the summation of a times negative x to the power k, where k is from 0 to n and n is from 0 to 10. So data validation, list of items 0 to 10. So we have 10 items to choose from, starting from 0. And our value of k is equal to sequence of n plus 1, that's n plus 1. One column starting from 0 incremented by 1. So that at n equals 1, k is 0, 1, n equals 2, k is 0, 1, 2, n equals 3, 0, k is 0, 1, 2, 3. And the value of the Taylor-Maclaurin series sum expansion for shifted Legendre polynomial y equals array formula series sum, that's negative x raised to the power k, that starts from 0, incremented by 1, and the coefficient a will be this range. So here we have the trend line equation and the trend line. Next we work on the coefficient. So let's complete the coefficient. So array formula, minus 1 to the power n times combine n comma k, n comma k. So if this is empty, this should be 0. So we'll correct this. That's if k is empty. That's if k is empty, the coefficient is 0. Now we have corrected the problem. This is empty, this should be 0. We continue with the second part of the coefficients. So that's times combine again, n plus k comma k. So n plus k, that's double, plus k comma k. So that's n plus k comma k. Enter. So we begin with at n equals 0, polynomial y, the shifted Legendre polynomial y equals 1. That's 1. N equals 1. Shifted polynomial y, Legendre polynomial y is minus 1 plus 2x. That's minus 1 plus 2x. At n equals 2, the shifted Legendre polynomial y equals 1 minus 6x plus 6x squared. 1 minus 6x plus 6x squared. At n equals 3. The shifted polynomial y equals minus 1 plus 12x minus 30 plus 20x cubed. Minus 1 plus 12x minus 30 plus 20x cubed. N equals 4. It's 1 minus 20x plus 90x squared minus 140x cubed plus 70x to the fourth, which also match to the expansion coefficients. And it's 1 minus 20x plus 90 plus minus 140x cubed. That's 90x squared plus minus 140x cubed plus 70x to the fourth. And n equals 5. That's minus 1 plus 30x minus 210x squared plus 560x cubed minus 630x to the fourth plus 252x to the fifth. Minus 1 plus 30x minus 210x squared plus 560x cubed minus 630x to the fourth plus 252x squared. This completes the use of the Taylor-Maclaurin series sum, LINEST Polynomial Regression to generate the Shifted Legendre Polynomials.